How you guys doing? My name is Derek with SkipperBud's, Grand Haven, Michigan. Very, very excited about this new example that showed up today. This is the all-new Aviara, built to you by Mastercraft Holdings. This is a 36-foot, built here in the US of A, and I am going to take you for a little walkthrough. Starting in the transom here, we have a beautiful teak submersible swim platform. Not sure if you can get your eyes on that with the dock here, but look at that. Ample room for the party in the back here. Aviara's done a great job of putting a lot of thought into where we're going to spend a lot of our time. We have obviously the flip up backrest seats. These are hydraulic seats that will go to just about any height. Of course, you have your sunshade on those very, very sunny days. This is retractable as well. For you guys that throw your fenders wherever you can fit them, here's some dedicated fender storage. Aviara thought of everything with these units. Moving forward into the cockpit, you see they have done a great job of making it very, very streamlined. It's very simple yet elegant, very European feel. They use cool feel product. It can be 110 degrees outside, sun beating down. It's still going to be very cool to the touch. Speaking of cooling, all of the multitude of cup holders are all cooled as well. So keep your drinks cold even on the hottest of days. Here for your entertainment, we have a Canyon grill, wash basin. We have a cooler, freezer. We have a nice size sink, really good size sink. Large dedicated storage for your coolers. Moving ahead to the helm, you'll see that they use Ilmar power. This has a 6.2 430 horse with the smoothest transmissions and drive units money can buy. It's all hydraulic. You think about taking this joystick, moving the boat wherever you'd like it to move, and it does it effortlessly with no clunk or clank. It is incredibly smooth. The user face system, they use Simrad. Very, very easy to navigate through. The stereo systems, the boat systems, it's very, very easy. It's black and white. Awesome setup. Moving into the salon area, you have a bed. That seat forward folds up. So you have a nice sitting area, you have dedicated table storage as well down there. You have TV, microwave. That TV does come out and extend. And to your starboard side, you have a decent sized shower head. Once again, very streamlined. Moving forward, you have ample sitting room. This boat is built around the clip stereo system. Everywhere you walk in this boat, it is bright, it's clear, the volume stays, it's almost like in-ears, only you're on the boat. It's absolutely the most amazing speaker system I have heard. Been in this industry for almost 20 years. It's incredible. If you look and see the detail, the quality and fit and finish, you get gas charge equipment here. You got the drain plug, insulated cooling, and they're all like that. Guys, I'd love to personally show you this boat. My name is Derek. Once again, Grand Haven SkipperBud's. Give us a call, set an appointment. Let's get you on this. Thank you so much for your time.